Hey, you made it. Oh my goodness. Congratulations on being here for our Pin2Profit challenge. I'm your host, Rachel Ngom, and I am so excited that you are here. You know why I'm excited? Because I see so many purpose-driven, passionate entrepreneurs that are just struggling to get that visibility that they want in their businesses. And they are struggling on Facebook and Instagram to get noticed, to get seen, and to actually build a business that they love, that serves other people and makes a massive difference in the world. You are created for big things, and I truly believe that. So first off, I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about myself, and then we're gonna dive into day one of the challenge. So hi, I'm Rachel Ngom. I started my business, I was negative $400 in my checking account, really struggling to make ends meet. We were on food stamps and it was just a hot mess. I had a newborn baby. The only job I could find was cleaning equipment at a local gym for minimum wage. And I have my master's in social work from the #1 program in the country. So that was like a huge slap in the face. And so it really made me focus and have to focus on entrepreneurship. There was really no other way out. And so I was in network marketing at the time, built my network marketing business to 6 figures within 2 years. And I invested in learning social media, primarily Facebook and Instagram. And I built my Facebook account to 50,000 followers, Instagram to 20,000, and it worked so well back in 2013, 2014. But then they changed the algorithm and I was kind of left scrambling again. And I'm an entrepreneur through and through now. Like I knew there was no other option and I had to figure stuff out. And so I focused on delivering blog content and writing blog posts and putting it on Pinterest. There wasn't this like huge magical strategy behind it. I wish there was, but there really wasn't. And what I noticed was my traffic was increasing and I had some freebies on my site to get email addresses and my email list was growing. And I was like, where are these people coming from? So I checked my Google Analytics. If you don't have it, you should get Google Analytics on your website just so you can check this stuff out. And I saw that I had 34,000 people coming to my blog every single month from Pinterest. I was like, what? How is this possible? Like I wasn't paid money on Pinterest ads or anything like that. That was free organic traffic. And so I created this little $9 ebook called Keto-ish, teaching people how to eat high fat, low carb. When I sold that ebook, when I launched it, it crashed my website the day it launched. I still make sales from this day from that ebook on a website I haven't touched in over a year, which is crazy. So in 2018, I did not touch that fitness blog at all. Literally didn't touch the Pinterest account, didn't touch the blog, didn't upload anything, nada. My traffic increased. So I had 75,000 people visiting that blog in February of this year. 40,000 of them were coming from Pinterest. So needless to say, I'm kind of obsessed with Pinterest. It has been a game changer in my business. So at the end of 2017, that's when I decided I really wanted to switch into helping entrepreneurs and teaching them my strategies and what I did. So we launched August 2017, and so far in 2018, we're able to serve over 1,700 students and helping them triple their sales, 5x their traffic, and just get these insane results using the strategies that I learned. And to me, like, there's no better feeling than that. It is so cool to see my students get those kind of results, making as many sales in one day that they used to make in an entire month. Like crazy stuff has been happening. So I cannot wait to share all this stuff with you during our challenge. So I am here to help you get amazing results in your business. What I need from you, I need you to commit. I need you to show up every single day of this challenge. Don't just be here on day one and then disappear. Be here every single day. So open up your phone, set an alarm, make sure you put it in your calendar, and you are gonna commit to doing every single day of this challenge. Today's gonna be a little bit longer. The rest of the days, I promise, are gonna be shorter, just because we gotta get to know each other a little bit, right? Let's dive into day one's content. And today we're just talking about why Pinterest and why this is so important. So as you probably know, Facebook and Instagram they don't work. And I see so many entrepreneurs that are spending time creating content and it disappears. And they're wasting so much time, okay? So your content is too good to be ignored. And when you do the strategies that I teach and you create this epic blog content, which we'll talk more about content creation on day 5, don't miss it. And you have an awesome Pinterest strategy. you're gonna get your content seen by more people. So you're done getting ignored, you're in the right place. Facebook ads are crazy. What I'm teaching on Pinterest, it's a free strategy. You know, if you want to pay getting leads, you can. I know that I was not in a position to do that when I first started my business, so Pinterest was huge. And even if you are doing paid advertising, you don't wanna have all of your eggs in the Facebook basket, because Facebook could change at any moment. It's really important that you diversify your lead generation strategy so you're not completely reliant on just one thing. So why Pinterest? 87% of pinners actually come to shop. So it's not people that are just searching to search, they're searching with an intention of, I wanna buy something, right? So what if those people actually landed on your website and you were able to create that relationship with them? Think about that. Pinterest gains traction over time. So Facebook, Instagram, you post, it disappears. If people see your content, it's gone within 24 hours. With Pinterest, you post something and that pin can still be driving traffic to your site months, years after you published it. I literally still have pins that are bringing traffic to my site that I posted in April of 2015. Let that sink in. So we're talking about working smarter, not harder, right? Like this is essential. Your content's working for you. Pinners have a 9% average higher income than non-pinners. So you have people that have more disposable income that are coming to shop. Hello, opportunity. And Pinterest is not just a social media platform. So write this down because this is important. Pinterest is a search engine platform. And pinners are performing 2 billion searches per month. Why is this important? When you understand keywords and using keywords the right way, which we'll talk about more on day 4, you will be able to dominate your niche, okay? So Pinterest is a search engine and that's why it's so powerful. So let's talk about your day 1 homework. What has been keeping you from using Pinterest for your business? Just write it out, share with us. Why haven't you been on the platform yet? What is your number 1 goal that you want to achieve using Pinterest in the next 45 to 90 days? So what ultimately do you want to achieve? And then I want you to do a competitor analysis. And let me actually show you how to do this really quickly. All right, so I want to show you just a few different ways that you could be doing this. So first of all, if I'm going to search, and this is actually stuff that I was searching for or clients that I've worked with. So I'm actually speaking at a real estate conference, teaching real estate agents how to use Pinterest, because yes, I swear any business can use Pinterest. Any business can use Pinterest. And so we were looking to move to Florida and we were looking at homes for sale in Wellington, Florida. And just to show you the opportunity that's here, right? So we're looking at homes for sale in Wellington, Florida. And I actually am using this one as a good example in my speech at that conference, because this pin is actually describing, it has text on it and it's showing what's happening. And most of the other pins are just, look at this, like these tiny little pins that are showing you the inside of a house. So this is showing me, hey, there's some really good opportunity in this space. So when we're doing this competitor analysis, I literally just want you to look at, do search terms for your niche and then just see what pops up. So here's another example. So I was working privately with someone who owns an art gallery and she sells minimalism art decor. And as we're searching minimalism art home decor, we're seeing a lot of pins that are like these square pins of just art. And so for me, I'm like, dang, this could be a really good opportunity for you to create these gorgeous pins and really showing people what that art could look like in someone's house, and having some big bold text on it and educating them a little bit more about the art. So for me, I'm like, dang, this is a cool opportunity for you. I'm excited for. Okay, next one, moving to Jacksonville, Florida. So here's just another one, another opportunity here, as you can see. And here you can actually search, by the way, pins, product pins, people, boards. So I could search for boards to see if anyone has boards on moving to Jacksonville, Florida, which, hey, they do. So I might just kind of look and see, who is this person? I'm kind of curious. Is she doing anything on Pinterest? Okay, so the thing with, so by doing this and seeing, okay, someone has a board, I'm moving to it. So then I kind of stalk their account and I'm looking over here. nothing here is really about moving to Jacksonville, Florida. They're not niched down. Their Pinterest account is all over the place, and they're showing about gluten-free and humor and all this stuff. So I'm like, they're not really going to be doing what I'm teaching. So I'm just kind of looking and seeing what's happening in this space. I worked privately with someone who owns a CBD line. So CBD, if you're not familiar, think marijuana, but it's like the part that doesn't get you high, and it's good for pain relief. And so she wants to sell CBD, and we help niche her down to CBD for pain relief. And so as I'm looking here, I'm thinking, who is doing this already? I'm looking at what kind of pins are already here. Okay, but then I might also look, someone has this in their profile. So I might just kind of look and see their profile. And then I might also look, this monthly viewer number, it's a vanity number for real, but it's gonna give me at least an indication is, are they doing anything on Pinterest? Okay, so they're very niche down. They are doing CBD. I might just look at their pins and see what it is that they're doing. They're actually doing a pretty good job. CBD oil pets. I like it. I like what they're doing. So with the competitor analysis, I literally just want you to kind of get familiar with the platform. So there's no wrong way to do this. I just want you to see what's already out there, see what people in your space are doing. And it could give you an indication of, do I need to niche down a little further? Are people already doing this here? Is there an opportunity? What's already happening in this space? Okay, so there's no wrong way to do this. I literally just want you to get used to the platform and see what's going on. All right, so that is your homework for today. Your action steps for today is to share your homework with us in the Facebook community and use the hashtag Pin2Profit_Day1. And then at 11 o'clock Eastern, I'm gonna be doing a live Q&A. And every day of the challenge, I'm doing a live Q&A. And I want you to put this on your phone and set an alarm, and I want you to be there live with me, because this is really where the magic happens. You know, these videos are going to be short, sweet, to the point, hopefully. I try not to go off on tangents or anything. And the Q&A is really where we get to dive in deeper to your business, get your questions answered, and do some more explaining on these topics. So show up, be there every single day for our live Q&A. And by the way, did you know that we're going to be giving away $1,000 towards one of my online courses during the challenge? So to participate in the contest, what I need you to do, make your Instagram account public. I want you to share a takeaway, something that you learned, something that you're doing during the challenge on Instagram, and then just tag me at She's Making an Impact and use the hashtag She's Making an Impact. That's all you got to do. And you got to do it every day of the challenge. We'll pick a winner on Saturday. So that's it. Okay, I'll see you for a live Q&A, and then you can expect an email from me tomorrow morning, same time, for day 2. So I look forward to seeing your homework, and I'll see you in the Facebook group.